All right, so I just received this Schlage Keypad Deadbolt, which I need for my front door. Now, I've put a couple of these on before, but we're going to do this one today. And it's pretty simple. You just open her up, and I'm just going to dump her out. I think I'm going to dump her out. We'll see. And then we're just going to take a look inside and see what we got. This is the unboxing, of course. This is very important. You must hang on to this. All right. So this right here has your special information that you have to plug into the thing. And it's pretty simple to put in, but they do give you the instructions. So let's set those over here. Let's see what else is in here. Basically, I'm wondering, my question is, did they give me a battery? Oh, shoot. So let's take a look. So here, you're going to get a key, okay? In case, oh, look, we got a battery. Nice. All right, so this is all the stuff that comes with it. It's a little greasy, so this is going to go in the door. We'll set that there. This is the key, just in case you run out of battery. And let's go ahead and just open this up. I think that's a Duracell, too. So that's a pretty good battery. They're going with the better battery, right? There it is, Duracell. Set it there. And this here is more of the, your face plate for your door. It's got a couple big, thick screws. And you can, I think you've got a little thing here that you can scan this QR code to write a review on the product if you want, and you can enter to win one of 3 prizes. So we'll put that over here. But anyway, this has screws, so you want to put this in there, you can. It's got one of these little plates for the front, but I don't know if we're going to need that because I already have one of these on the door. All right, let's take a look in here and look at let's look and see what we got here. Here's the, oh man, it's heavy too, dude. Either that or it's just stuck in there. Oh, there we go. All right, that's everything in the box. So here it is. It's pretty simple. It's got the code on the side of it. And this comes on there. You got to take that off. All right, so here's your key. This is going to be on the outside of your door here. This will be on the inside of the door. And it should just come apart. I don't want to pull it apart because this is hooked right now, and that may be an integral part. Oh, there we go. So that's how that's going to work. So I've got to unhook all this so I can pull it through. This is where the battery goes here. You follow me? And you can see that this here, right here, to get that off of there, I got to kind of like, I got to be careful because I don't want to break it. And this is going to pull through right there. You see it? So this right here, I have to pull through. Let me take a closer look at this. Oh, look at that. So it has like a little, oh, there we go. So that will come through there. All right, you see that? All right, so I get, okay, we're good. So, all right, so this is the plate that's going to go in on the inside. And this, I don't know if we even need this, really, to tell you the truth. I mean, because once we put it together, basically we got to slide this through. It's going to go through the door and then through this hole. And then it's got to connect to this right here. You follow me? So it shouldn't be too hard to do. So, I mean, it doesn't have a lot of parts, but that's it right there. That's everything that comes in the box. This part here, I don't think you're going to need. I'm pretty sure you won't need it, but yeah, that's it right there. All right, so now all we got to do is go downstairs and put it on the door. And it's greased up, so it's in good shape. All right, let's do it. Let's put this thing together. All right, I put everything in the box. We're going to go downstairs and put it on the front door.